going to show you guys how I've taken my intermittent fasting game to a whole different level. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how I intermittent fast, how I've up-leveled my intermittent fasting game, made it so much more simpler, not only for myself, but for my clients. I even have my mom doing this, all the other people that hate doing, all these diet changes and stuff like that. The whole goal with intermittent fasting is to make it super easy on yourself so you can sustain it, because it's not a diet. It's just a way of eating. It's backed by so much research to not only give you so many health benefits like stabilizing your blood sugar levels, helping boost your human growth hormone, help lowering your insulin levels, help with mental clarity, just give your body and your gut a break. Literally, you're turning your body from a fat storage machine into a fat burning machine. But a lot of people struggle with intermittent fasting. They don't know how to do it and how to make it easier on themselves. And that's what I teach. So the first thing is there's different types of intermittent fasting you can do. You just got to pick a schedule that works for you. You just got to experiment, see what you like, see what you don't like, and then eventually you're going to get the results. Okay, so you can do a 12 and 12, you can do a 14-hour fast and then 10-hour eating window, or you can do a 16-hour fast and an 8-hour eating window. I'm going to leave a bunch of tips for you on the bottom so you can download it, print it, whatever, to make it easier for you. But right now, I just want to show you some products that I've been using that I've done a ton of research on before I started taking this. And then I started taking it myself. I started putting my family on it, my parents, all my parents, and even my kids. Even though kids don't need to intermittent fast, they can still benefit from some of the vitamins and minerals in these supplements that I'm taking. Most people that come to me because they want to lose weight, or they have some sort of autoimmune issue like thyroid issues, hormonal imbalances, stubborn belly fat, really low energy, brain fog, hard time focusing, just feeling down. And I always tell people, and I'm going to be preaching this even more now, is it really comes down to your gut health. Yes, I'm all about hormonal balance. I have tons of information and products that help with hormonal balance, but everything really comes down to your gut health. You guys already know my story. My husband passed away from colon cancer so young. And so that's why I've spent the last few years really diving deep, understanding not trends, but I really want to understand the research and the science and just testimonials of people that have been able to heal their gut, been able to get off medications, been able to balance out their blood sugars, been able to boost their immune system and do it in a natural and gentle way. So I'm not trying to replace anyone's medical advice, but I really encourage you to do your own research. So this is what I've been using, and I'm going to show you guys how I've taken my intermittent fasting game to a whole different level, and so many people are losing weight as well. So I really love it. Okay, so first thing in the morning, you are still in a fasted state. I always recommend, and I do this myself, have a nice big glass of water. This is just super detoxifying and hydrating and just so good for your body. So start off with that. Now we want to keep you in that fat burning fasted state a little bit longer. So most people like to have coffee or tea first thing in the morning. If you're going to do that, make sure you don't have any milks or creams or sugars in it, because it's going to break your fast, spike your blood sugar, spike your insulin levels, and take you out of that fat burning state and put you in a fat storage state. So what I recommend, there's different options of what you want to have, but what I've been having is the Unicity tea. It's freaking amazing. I used to have coffee all the time, but now I just have this. It's a yerba mate tea, but it's a super, super high quality yerba mate tea. It boosts your energy. It helps with your appetite, suppresses your appetite, helps you with your mental clarity, helps you with focus, and it's just super yummy. So this one's the lemon flavored, and it's sweetened with stevia and sucralose. So it's not going to take you out of a fat burning state. It's going to keep you and help make intermittent fasting so much easier. So it just comes in a powder form. You just add it to some hot water, mix it, and go. It's so yummy. If you want to add adaptogen drops in the morning, you can. You don't have to do that, but that's just something that I do. So the next step, how do you actually break your fast? This is a mistake a lot of people make, because how you break your fast actually really matters. You're really insulin sensitive right now if you've been fasting, and then if you just have a bunch of crap and no fiber, your body's just going to spike its blood sugar and spike its insulin and store everything as fat. So we want a slow, gradual increase in your blood sugar levels and your insulin. That's the whole point of this, okay? So the thing that I've been taking is the balance, and I'm getting everyone else to take it as well. It tastes good. Even my mom will have it. I even give it to my kids. What I love about this specifically, you guys, is it's a blend of different fibers. So it's not just one type of fiber. Your gut actually needs multiple different types of fiber. That's important. There's also a bunch of vitamins and minerals in here. It's going to actually slow the absorption of the carbohydrate. So there's that slow, gradual increase in your blood sugar and your insulin levels. But it actually lowers your cholesterol levels. It's so crazy. And most importantly, it's going to make you feel full. Because I know a lot of people want to feel full longer because they have issues with hunger control, and it's really just blood sugar issues. So that's what this really helps with. You're going to have this twice a day before your meals, about 10-15 minutes before your meals. I'll show you guys how I take it. It's literally just a powder. You add water, give it a good shake, and drink it. This one is creamsicle. It tastes so good. So with my kids, I'll just put a little bit in their shakes because I make them a shake every day. But for me, I'll have it like this, mix it, drink it, and you'll notice it's a bit thicker. So it's going to help you feel really slow. Really slow. It's going to help you feel really full, and it helps that absorption of food, which is what we want. And it also helps lower your cholesterol levels, which is freaking amazing. It's so good. Okay. So you guys, Unicity is a company that I partnered with after doing so much research. So many companies approach me all the time with their products to help with intermittent fasting because they know I'm a big believer and I coach you girls and guys on intermittent fasting. But what really got my attention with this company is all the medical, clinical research behind this and all the testimonials of people coming off their diabetic medications, losing a ton of weight, just healing their gut. And you guys know that's my biggest mission right now. And I wanted something that was gentle enough to give to my own kids and to even pregnant and breastfeeding women. And the thing is, it's not synthetic. It's actually a food grade product. So that's why I love it so much. So you can give it a try. There's a 90-day money back guarantee. So after you make an order, I want you to reply to the email. I'm going to send you a follow-up email. Tell me what your situation, tell me what your health goals are, and I'm here to help you. This is my mission in life, is to help you have a healthy gut, be a healthy weight, have clear mind, full of energy, really feel at your best, okay? I'm here to help you. You're not doing this alone. You got this. Okay, we'll talk to you guys soon.